I always say that I have the best crafty friends in the world, and today I have the proof. Welcome to a very special end of the month video where we are celebrating member milestones alongside a showcase of your incredible work. My name's Alicia, but you can call me Crafty Al, and today we are celebrating the heart of this channel, you. Welcome, or perhaps welcome back to my channel. I'm so glad that you're here today. You might have noticed that this end of the month video started out a little bit different. And that's because as I approach my 10-year anniversary here on YouTube, I've started to think about what does this channel mean to me? And honestly, it's all about connecting with you and building the Crafty Al community. So now the end of the month video will not only showcase Happy Mail that I've received, but I'm also going to be showcasing my members and other subscribers. You might have noticed that this month's intro included the Call Me Crafty Al community family portrait. If you are not yet part of the picture, I would love for you to join us next month. All you need to do is send me an email at callmecraftyal@gmail.com, which is also in the description box below. Make the subject line Family Portrait and then include a photo of yourself. I will be turning these into squares, so keep that in mind when you're selecting a photo. I cannot wait to add you to the picture. As you watch today, you will see a variety of subscriber-made cards. We will go over some member milestones, and perhaps in the future, I will be showcasing your extra special comments. So make sure that whenever you're watching my videos, you're smashing that like button and leaving some love in the comments. Maybe let me know what SheetLoad means to you or what being part of my crafty community means to you. I do appreciate each and every comment, which I do read. To start out the May 2026 Membership Milestones and Community Showcase, let's go ahead and take a look at some members who have reached their very first big milestone. In the month of May, I had some members earn their 1-year membership badge. So scrolling up on screen now are their names. Thank you all so very much for your continued support. If you're not yet a channel member and you would like to find out more about the perks of being one, you can click on the join button below this video or check out the link in the description box below. Membership starts as low as $1.99 a month, and that will get you access to probably the most favorite perk, and that is the visual archive. It is a one-stop shop with thumbnails and direct links to all SheetLoad of Cards editions. Before we take a look at the rest of the member milestones, I want to share some happy mail that I've gotten over the last couple months. I did celebrate my birthday in April, but I did not do an end of the month April video, so I have quite a few birthday cards to share with you that subscribers have sent in to me. Up first today was a lovely birthday card from my crafty godmother Sandra from Washington. She blessed me with a very generous birthday present and also sent a card for Presley, which I will give to her when she is off work this afternoon. This next birthday card is from Marilyn M. of Michigan, and I just love that fun boot with the flowers sticking out. Jessica B. from California sent me this wicked birthday card. I just love how she has decorated the front and the inside. Angie D from right down the road in Lincoln sent me this gorgeous floral birthday card. And fun side note, I get to hang out with Angie and her husband on Monday to celebrate her birthday. Carmen from Colorado, who you might also know from her Choose Joy with Carmen YouTube channel, sent me this beautiful birthday card with rainbows on the front and some fun sequins on the inside. Melissa J. from Iowa, who just happens to be my sister-in-law, sent me this beautiful birthday card. I think it might be one that she got in a swap during Stamp Joy, which we get to go together again this fall. And speaking of Stamp Joy and family, this kooky birthday card came from my sister Lisa, who will also be heading to Des Moines in October. This next birthday card came from my bestie Danny from right here in Nebraska. She knows that I love all things Diet Coke. This birthday card from Barb S. in Florida features the April 2026 SheetLoad layout and some beautiful foiling. Who would not love to get a birthday card wrapped in this fun envelope, which was created by Chris D. of California, who was also inspired by the April 2026 SheetLoad of Cards. Now back to some member celebrations. These members are celebrating 2 years of membership. Vita Sharp, Geneva 924, Stephanie M, Tracy O'Connell, Jadeite Lady Mary, Barb White, Patton Pugs, David Olson, V. Perez, Elizabeth Johnson, Kim Fiore, Bear Harmony, Smile and Inspire Me, Linda Wagner, Desiree Jones, and Angie Downs. Thank you all to everyone who took the time to send in a birthday card. I loved each and every one of them and getting to read your special notes. Not only did I have a load of birthday cards, also each month I get to see what you're creating with the latest sheet loads. Now you might have also noticed some in that stack of birthday cards. But this month I was blessed with some examples from the last couple months. So let's go ahead and take a look at those. Kathy S. from Indiana used the April 2026 SheetLoad of Cards for this one, and the only thing that outmatched how beautiful it was on the front was the kind note on the inside. Allison K. from Texas also used the April 2026 SheetLoad. I am loving the vintage looking papers and that fiber that she used. Barb S. from Florida used the May 2026 SheetLoad of Cards, which was a fun tent topper edition for this lovely birthday card. Holly N. from Texas blessed me with this card featuring the April 2026 SheetLoad. I love the rainbows and the sparkly bow on the front and the kind note on the inside. Pamela M. from Texas used a birthday theme for this card she sent me using the latest edition. I thought I recognized this beauty from the Facebook group. Did you know that one of the ways you can show us your sheet load is by adding your photos to the designated album in my Facebook group? Up on screen now is a look at some of the lovely examples shared this month using the April 2026 sheet load of cards. Make sure, if you're not already a Facebook group member, to join by clicking on the Facebook link at the bottom of the description box below. Also, if you share other places on social media, use the hashtags on the top of each month's printable. I always love to see what you are creating with SheetLoad of Cards. It is time to celebrate some more membership milestones, and this time it's those who are celebrating 3 years. Ginny Binion, Carol Nicholson, Ellen Speranzo, Dottie McDevitt, Andrea Dulaney, Stephanie Poteet, Judy Damewood, Ray Wolf, Amanda C., Mary Kalaji, Anne-Marie Barquette, Jane Pruitt, and Jackie Britt. Not only does today's community showcase feature cards for my birthday and some SheetLoad of cards, but I also got cards just because. If you do ever want to send me in a card, whether it's just because or a SheetLoad example, first of all, make sure to check out the Show Us Your SheetLoad Guidelines video, which is linked in the description box below. And if it's a card just because, you can find my P.O. box in the description box below toward the bottom. I always love to get your beautiful creations and read your kind notes. Let's go ahead and take a look at this month's Just Because cards. Teresa R. from Florida, who you might know from her Fresh and Renewed with Teresa or Creatively Faithful channel, sent me this beautiful card. Also this past month, she gifted me with some adorable magnets for my glass board. Yvonne K. from Minnesota sent me this sweet card for Mother's Day. I just love the layout on the front and the fun floral papers. Up next is another card from Carmen in Colorado. She created this card after I was on Craft Roulette the last time, where I picked all my favorites as number 13s in honor of being on Friday the 13th. And speaking of Craft Roulette, I am going to be a guest again this Friday, June 5th. So make sure to head on over to the Craft Roulette channel and set a reminder to join us. And while you're there, go ahead and give that video a Vinny by smashing that like button. Make sure to check out the description box below for a link. I got 2 cards from Stephanie M. of Germany over the past couple months. The first one features a fun rainbow of hearts, and the second one is an adorable melon card that features a past SheetLoad of cards that she rewinded back to. Up next is a postcard that Mimi sent me from her Hawaiian vacation. Not only is it a gorgeous card, but it had a lovely story on the other side from her trip. If you're planning any vacations this summer, I would love a postcard. You can check out the description box below for my P.O. address, and these go in a special spot in my craft room. Now to celebrate those members who have supported me for 4 years. Lily Bell, Megan Peacock, D.G. Stamper, Fresh and Renewed with Teresa, Man-Made Stuff by Chris, and Janie Westcott. And lastly for mail today was this package from Carrie B. of Virginia, which included this awesome nature collection. She was destashing recently and says I can keep these for myself or add them to my treasure box. Thank you so much, Carrie. And last but not least, let's give a great big shout out to members who are celebrating 5 years of membership. Katie C., Karen's Crafting Company, Debbie in Louisiana, Lexi, Kimberly Park, Audrey E., Caroline King, Kathy Nelson, Melissa Williams, Rita Jackson, Susan M., Kathy Slack, To Be Free at Last, and Lori Beck. Members are not the only thing worth celebrating this month. Did you know in June it will be my 10th anniversary here on YouTube, and I am celebrating with a special surprise Advent live stream series. If you're watching today's video on the day that it comes out, make sure to join us in just a little bit at 10 a.m. Central for the kickoff to find out all about this event, including a grand prize sponsored by viewers of this channel and some bonus prizes sponsored by my favorite crafty companies. Check out the description box below so you can set a reminder or watch the replay. As a special thank you for taking the time to watch today's video, if you are going to join us for the Surprise Advent live stream series and collect secret words to win prizes, make sure that you write down this word and add it to the bonus section when it is time to enter those words. Today's bonus secret word is celebrate. CELEBRATE. Thank you so much to everyone who took the time to send me some happy mail. And thanks as well to my members who reached those big milestones. If you enjoyed this new end of the month video, as always, I appreciate a thumbs up, and let me know down in the comment section below what you might like to see featured. Until my next video, I hope you're all having a crafty day. Bye-bye. Thank you so much for taking the time to watch all the way to the end of the video. I hope now you'll consider clicking on one of the videos or playlists I have linked above. And if you are interested in any of the products or tools I used in today's video, I do have some links in the description box below.